Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool decorative centerpiece that you can use to hold wine bottles or wine glasses. Basically it's like a little decorative wine rack, and this would make a great addition for a party as well because it has this beautiful metal. Everything is already put together. You just simply have to screw it in to assemble it. So it is a tool-free design and it is completely metal, which is nice, so it's going to be long lasting and help with the weathering of this as well. But you're going to screw in this base plate here. It does have some nice feet on the bottom of this. It's going to allow that to sit up off the ground. And then it has these pieces here that simply can be inserted. That way you can go ahead and use that to hang any of your wine glasses from there. And this is going to stand about 2 feet high. So this is going to be a nice display that's going to stand, like I said, be a nice prominent display. Loving the fact that this thing goes together and has everything on here, like these little grapes and everything, they're all adjustable. So you have the ability to kind of flex them out a little bit, adjust them as you go. And then we're going to put on the top piece here. This just kind of adds a little finial on the top. Again, everything is all metal welded together, no tools at all. And it's going to allow you to put this top piece on and provide you with a handle that you can then pick this whole thing up, set it down, move it from table to table. And then if you're wanting to at home display wines and things, you can easily set them in here for display. That way they're not going to be going anywhere. You've got corks and different things you can easily collect in the bottom. And you have the ability to store glasses, which is really nice. Now this is one nice way that you can do this, by displaying the glasses this way. But if you're wanting to actually serve, maybe you've got a wedding or a birthday party or kind of a brunch that you're wanting to serve for, you actually can prep all this and actually go ahead and put all of the glasses in like this. If you had multiple glasses, again, this holds up to 12 glasses, and then you can go ahead and fill all of these glasses and have it on a display so that your guests can simply come by and take one and go along, and then you can have someone refill those. So that makes a very nice display and would work well for any party or just anyone's home.